I got encouragements from a, a person visiting me right just on TV. My TV must be dangerous, so that I cross my TV. But today I felt some meaningful over these righteous TVs. The head is connected to heavens, the body is connected to the ground. Sleeping times, a person's based on the earth, and working time, a person connected to the sky by hydrogen gas-like source. Soul is trying to get out of the body. The body tries to cooling. Just source. All the persons I wrote books on this righteous source. Can you see in Amazons? When you visit righteous TVs, you touch on my books. My first book, Micro Concept. Just one person visited my righteous soul TVs, so I got encouraged. This is my purpose. So my YouTube channel name is Righteous Souls. Not Korean, but English. Truly, I'm not influenced in speaking English, but furthermore, because I do not live in it. Anyway, I'm trying to base on my memory, write to micro concepts. Micro concept. This is a book. All people's livings, past, present, future. But truly we just improve the future, but just a memory, but we cannot get to the past. But we are all living at present is the end of past, beginning of present, future. If you're interested in that, I want to talking based on micro concept books. Yeah, this is really terrible like these times my exodus to go. No one, anyone is not interesting my righteous of TV. Micro concept is, as you imagine that, unseen world. From unseen world to seen world. From micro concept world to macro concept world. Presumably, minus one parameterless plus one parameterless is fast to futures. But minus one parameterless range plus one parameterless is not a past, not a future. I started the micro concept book Now we have many problems. We are all just problem-solving knowledge from the old knowledges or review. But actually, and our problem is not solved by all the knowledges, but all these problems to be solved by creation of knowledges. All of our books in library, huge number of books are based on creation of knowledge. A writer felt that enlightenings. That is a creation of knowledge. Creation of knowledge at first from a person that is very like water flow down. As past the time, that knowledge to be stored. So that is like a water flow, then the creation of knowledge is 100% of true. The stone of old knowledge is mixed with dusty and all over just not pure. Creation of knowledge purity 100%, and just all knowledge purity is about 50, maybe. Micro concept occur by accident. Every time I was in my inside, just crossed, so I almost died. So I draw on my computer pages, probably big size, small size, big size. But I can't reach at the micro concept. By accidentally, I gotta know arrow minus 1 parameters, minus limitless, minus 1 parameters, plus 1 parameters, plus limitless. Yeah. I draw it. And I wrote 2 books. Micro concept. Can you read the micro concept in Amazon? If you read the micro concept, you will know that a human being living is not minus 1 parameter, but plus 1 parameter, not limitless, but plus limitless, but all now living persons is based on 1 parameter and limitless range plus 1 parameter length. That is micro concept. In this place, a person gets solution to all of problems. It's a micro concept. If a person living at micro concept, then a person solve the problems. Truly, this book is about 10 years wrote. Truly, at the time, my excitement is really excited by based on this book. As goes, I'm tired with also like this enlightening knowledges. Righteous Soul TV is all enlightening knowledges. It's all creational knowledge. Help me, Righteous Soul TV, to go for furthers. But now it's very tired. I created 1,300 content, but my result is nothing. So I believe that all our persons do not interested in my micro concept, unseen world stories, righteous soul stories. Just I'm talking by myself. No one heard, no one interesting, no one honesty trying to know it. But today, I felt some obligations. Even though I have to keep managing Righteous Soul TV because I got a feedbacker. A feedbacker reached me. A feedbacker reached me. He asked me questions. He asked me interpretations of what I just creating, just content. It's a real excitement. I want to this Righteous Soul TV is growing. But this Righteous Soul TV is nothing. Just my new content 1,300, but my income is nothing. So that I'm tired. Help me. I'm not enough to speaking English, but my book actually written by English micro concept. I will talk on his micro concept because my Righteous Soul TV is not activations, because no one knows unseen world micro concept fields. Please watch me Righteous Soul TV so that these Righteous Soul TVs make known Righteous Soul living persons is required in this earth. If we are at least a person Righteous Soul that is in the Righteous Soul living destination place is secure and helped earth. But as just one of Righteous Soul persons disappear, then this earth is all occupied by Wicked Soul world. As all Righteous Soul living persons now depends becoming Wicked Soul world. I'm tired with that. To secure the world, we have to do righteous living. We have to increase righteous living process. This is Righteous Soul TV's purpose. In the world, we have to do living as Righteous Soul as they connect to the righteous living destination place. If we lose, if we do not keep our personal Righteous Soul livings, and we had broken connections to righteous living destination places, and then in this place is all occupied by the wicked souls. Micro concept. You will lose it. If you were seriously, honestly, if you read this book, then you know that. Why we have to live as a righteous soul? If we were living as one person, righteous soul living, keep peace in earth. But as this disappears, a righteous soul, as a moment that occupied by wicked soul. Wicked soul's purpose is revenge and breaking, destructions. Righteous soul is based on all broken by war. Then new righteous souls coming up to build, to create. We are dangerous. No. I'm not just big persons. I'm not famous person. I'm very smart person. Praise in the world, really meaningful persons. Please read the micro concept, then savor, or just a little, or just righteous or living persons. If as just one of righteous or living persons, then this earth without world getting peace. If one of righteous soul disappear, then in this earth all to be governed by wicked souls. Maybe this is you can hear like just story, but this is really meaningful philosophical concepts as we are situations at. I do not enough speak English. Please, these righteous soul TVs go further. We need the energy. Please help me. Please watch righteous soul TV. Righteous soul TV is really seriously helping our righteous souls for the more righteous soul living increasing. I feel now safe because truly righteous soul living concepts, unseen world, worldwide of persons, but accidentally, if you're watching this righteous soul TV, you feel responsibilities to save righteous souls, to increase righteous soul living persons. As that these our living space getting connected to the righteous living destination places, we are flourishing, we are living safe, we are living excitement. Righteous soul TV now purpose for these righteous souls increasing and support of feeding righteous soul energy. This is my righteous soul TV purpose. Please help me. We all go with, share based on righteous soul TVs. Please. Thank you.